Hi YouTubers, BatHog here with a little Blender 2.79 tutorial for you. This is something that caught me out as a noob. It's to do with radial arrays and how they go wrong and a little trick to fix it. So we'll start with the basic cube and we'll scale this up a little bit. And then scale it on the x-axis and then scale it back up on the z. What I was actually working on was like a vent for a jet engine or something, so I wanted angled plates around the outlet of the jet, so I wanted a thin plate. Scaling on the y-axis to get a nice thin plate, and I think I'll scale it up a little bit more on the z. If I can get it to go the right way, that's it. And I wanted them tilted inwards as well, so I'm going to rotate around the x-axis. And then move it out to about there, and then I was going to have a whole array of these plates in a row. I think what I'll do is I'll go into edit mode and select that top face and scale that inwards on the X thing to make it like a lozenge shape. That's it, like that. See what that looks like. Oh yes, that's the sort of thing I was after. Right, so we go back into object mode and now add the array modifier. That's this spanner over here. Modifier array. Okay, and as you can see, it goes off nicely in the X direction, which is what we want. But what we really want it to do is to curve around the center point to make a radial array. Okay, so what you do for that is you add another object and you add an empty, which is just a set of plain axes, and it goes right in the middle like that. And then what you do is back selecting the object again, you give it an object offset like that, and then when you rotate this object around the z-axis, the other objects should follow it. Count of object empty, and now when we rotate this, it's definitely not what we want. In fact, they're all over the place. You can see some off the screen, they're all over the place. And the reason for this is because, if we undo all of that, do away with the modifier. This is the trick, you need to select that object and do Control A and actually apply the movement that we've done already to it, so Blender knows that it's now in its new starting position. And we'll do rotation and scale and location as well. So now it's center point is actually right in the center and not in the center of the object itself. So it should reference everything around that center. So let's try adding the modifier again. Array. We'll have a count of 12. Let's have 12. Should do it. 10 or 12. I'll just type it in. Simplest way. Okay, so now we've got 12, and now we want to have an offset object, which we pick as the empty. And now, when we rotate that empty, select it first, of course. RZ. Now they all curve round nicely around that. Actually want them to be a constant offset. That's better. How's that? In fact, if I rotate that just a tad more, in fact it'll tell me how far I've rotated it. Actually, I want to rotate it by 30 degrees, don't I? There we go. And they match up perfectly. And that's how to do radial arrays.